Welcome to the series where we explore one AWS service at a time. Today, IAM, the foundation of AWS security. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It's how you control who can access your AWS resources and what they can do with them. Think of it as the security guard of your entire AWS environment. IAM has four main components: users for individual people, groups to organize users, roles for applications and service, and policies that define permissions. And remember that, because that's probably the most important part of the video. Users represent individual people or applications that need access to AWS. Each user gets their own credentials, either passwords for console access or access keys for programmatic access. Groups let you organize users and assign permissions collectively. Instead of managing permissions for each person individually, you put users in groups like developers or admins and manage permissions at the group level. Roles are for AWS service and applications, not people. When an EC2 instance needs to access S3 or when you want to grant cross-account access, you use roles. They provide temporary credentials instead of long-term access keys. Policies are JSON documents that define permissions. They specify exactly what actions are allowed or denied on which resources. AWS provides hundreds of pre-built policies, or you can create your own custom ones. Here's what a policy looks like. It's readable JSON that says who can do what. IAM gives you multi-factor authentication for extra security, fine-grained permissions down to individual API calls, and integration with identity providers like Active Directory. Everything strapped down in CloudTrail for compliance and auditing. AWS IAM follows the principle of least privilege. Only give the minimum permissions needed. And here's the golden rule: don't use your root account for daily tasks. The best part? IAM is completely free. There is no charge for creating users, roles, or policies. You only pay for the AWS resources they access. Whether you're a solo developer or managing a team of hundreds, IAM is where AWS security starts. Every other AWS service relies on IAM for access control. That's AWS IAM, the foundation of your cloud security. Next video, we will explore AWS EC2. Follow along to build your AWS knowledge one service at a time. Questions? Drop them in the comments.